Hello learners. So in previous video we already registered ourselves on the SWAYAM portal. So now in this video we will see how we can enroll or join a course on the SWAYAM portal. So now I sign in myself with my email account, and now I will give you a demo how you can enroll yourself in a course. So for that, first of all click on all courses. Now first of all we have to choose our course in which we want to enroll. So this will take little bit time. A list will appear soon. So here you can see a lots of courses. So the list is open for us. So let's scroll down little bit. So you can see various different courses. So let's come up now. First of all, we can see here two tabs: upcoming enrollment open and ongoing enrollment close. So in ongoing enrollment closed, you are not allowed to take admission, or you cannot join those courses because enrollment is already closed in those for those courses. In upcoming enrollment open, you can enroll yourself in those courses. So we can enroll in these courses. The list will appear. This will take a little bit time because the list is so long. Yes, so now list is appear now. So this list is so long, you have to go through lots of courses. So for cutting down our list, we can use these filters, which are very useful for us. So let's see these filters one by one. So first is national coordinator. So you can choose your course according to the choice of your national coordinator. So you can go for CEC course, you can go for IGNOU course, NCERT course, NIO course, is totally your choice. Next filter is of course duration. So on SWAYAM portal, almost the courses ranges from 4 weeks to 20 weeks or more than that also. So from here you can choose that option also. So in the next course exam, you can filter according to course exam date, course credits, and last very important, course category. So here you can choose the category of your course. So if you want to do an annual refresher program, you can check this. If you want to go for education field, you can check this. If you want to choose a course for school, you can check this. Okay, so for now I'm going to use this filter, and I want to explore courses fall under a domain of education. Let's click on it. Now I want to apply one more filter, that is course duration. So I'm a first time user or a learner, so I just want to go for 8-week course now, not more than that, for me a demo purpose. So you can choose course according to your need, your time and your requirement. So let's see one of the course. Yes, let's explore this course and join this course. Click on it. So from here you are landed with a page this. So in this page you can see the information about this course, number of enrolled users of this course. Now come down. Yes, so you can see summary of this course. Okay, duration, start date, end date, exam date, etc. These details of the course. Next you can see on the left side course layout. Yes, so this is 8-week course, so you can see 8 units here. Then next you can see various references and books. Next you can see instructor bio here. Yes, very important, you can see here now course certificate and criteria to get a certificate. So very clearly mentioned that for getting a certificate you have to give your internal assignments on the time, and you have to give a proctored examination from which you will get 70% of the marks. Okay, so now let's join this course. Yes, you have to click on this orange button, join. So As soon as you click on the join, you land up with this form. So I'm already a user on the Swayam portal, so this form is already filled for me. But for first time user, you have to fill this form once. After that, it will already filled for you in every new course. So this is very basic information they are asking, like name, mobile number, email ID, your age group, your profession, your qualification, etc. If you are employed, then your employer name, etc. Now, in the last, you have to click on these two check boxes and click on review and join the course. So, after this, you are successfully enrolled in this course. You can get this notification. Thank you for registering for the course. That's it. So, now you are enrolled in this course. So let's see some various important components of the MOOC platform. First of all, we will see announcements. So let's click on announcement. So in the announcement section, you will get announcements done by an instructor. The announcements can be related to your examination, your certification, your course duration, etc. Now, in this course, we are not able to see any announcement because there is no such announcement done by the instructor till now. So, next column is about the course. Let's click on it. So, in about the course, you are land up with again the same page we see before. So, same information on this page. So, let's go back and explore next component. Yes, next component is ask a question. So this is very important part of any MOOC platform. This is called discussion forum. So discussion forum is very beautiful part on any MOOC platform and very important because here people get get interacted with each other. They can get replies from their online peers and even the teacher can reply to their query. So if you want to ask any question, you simply have to click on this new topic and enter your query. So in this course, we are not able to see any query because this course is not started till now. So let's explore a next column, progress. So this is again very important thing because here you will see the assessment scores, the assessment which will you get during your course. So it is very important to do assessment on time to time because you will get 30% of your marks based on your assessment. Okay. So next is mentor. So in mentor section, you will assign a mentor to yourself or by default the instructor is mentor for all. So this is one option. So I hope you understand all these components and you will understand how you can join a course on Swine portal. So in the next video, we will see a course that I already did on the Swine portal so that you can understand these components in detail. Thank you.